Okay, we are going to find the volume of triangular prisms. Okay, triangular prisms. Okay, so let's start with what a triangular prism is. Okay, triangular prism has on one end, sometimes it's the bottom, sometimes it's the side, a triangle. And it's like a triangular tube. You can almost think of a tent, for example. Let's say this was a tent, and we want to know the volume, how much space this triangular prism takes up. So we need a couple of measurements. We need to know the height. We need to know the length along the base. And we need to know, sometimes call this the length. Okay, so to find the volume, it's BH, capital B, lowercase h. Capital B stands for the area of the base. The base is a triangle. In a triangular prism, the base is a triangle. So we need the area of the base times the height, or if it's lying down, we actually call it the length. Okay, so here's what we do. First, we have to find the area of the triangle and then multiply by that other measurement, length or height, depending on whether it's standing up or lying down like this one. So start with the area of the triangle. Base times height divided by 2. Which can be written either way. Okay, so let's start with that. Let me give you an example here. Let's say this was a tent. Let's say the tent is 10 feet long, 5 feet tall, and 6 feet wide along the base. Okay, so start with the area of the base. The base is base times height divided by 2, which in this case is 6 times 5 divided by 2. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the area of the base, this part here, is 15. Now we need to multiply that by our other measurement, 10, which means that the volume is 150 cubic feet, feet to the third power. All right, let's look at another one. That was a little, first time through, sometimes a little confusing, so let's look at another one. Let's look at a triangular prism that is standing on end this time. So, okay, so this one's standing on end, and let's say this was 30 inches tall, and 10 inches here, and 8 inches there. Okay, so to figure this out, we're going to start with the base. Which one is the base? The base is the triangle. Remember, on a triangular prism, the base is a triangle. The area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2, which would be 10 times 8 divided by 2. 10 times 8 is 80, divided by 2 is 40. Then we need to multiply that by the height. This truly is the height this time because it's standing on end. So times 30. 40 times 30 is 1,200, 1,200 cubic inches. Okay, so to find the volume of triangular prisms, first find the area of the triangle, then multiply by whichever measurement you haven't used yet. Could be the length. If if it's lying down like these two, or the height if it is standing up. Area of the base times the height.